So I've got my radios here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything that it comes with. We're going to go over the features of the radio. Then we're going to head outside and I'm going to put it to several tests. Now, when you do receive it, it comes with a base station to go ahead and charge it. You can charge, of course, both units at the same time, or if you want, you can charge them separately with this power adapter and this dual plug here. These are Type-C connectors here on the end. It also comes with a couple of lanyards and belt clips here. The unit itself, it has a runtime of right around 20 hours. I like that it's got a large screen here. So when you turn it on, you can hear audibly of what channel that you're going to be on. It's got two buttons for push to talk. We've got one here on the front, one here on the side, and then we've got up and down arrows to go ahead and change channels in here via the menu button here, which I'll show you in a minute. And then on this side here, we can go ahead and charge it up there. Of course, we've got a large button here. It's really easy to turn to go ahead and turn it on and off. Large antenna. And then we've got several buttons here. We've got direct call button. We've also got our menu button, which is how you're going to go ahead and change your channels. An SOS button. And then we can go ahead and scan. With the SOS, this is what I like about it. So I'm going to turn the second one on. When you hit the SOS, every single radio that's on the same channel is going to hear that there is an alarm going off. So this one's going off too, so they're both going off. So that's good. So everyone knows that there's an emergency. And turn that off and then back on again. And then also with the menu, we've got a backlit display. So it's real easy to read, and it also is going to tell you your channel that you're on and the battery life. This does have 22 channels. It also has 11 channels for NOAA weather. Right now we're going to go ahead and do a distance test. My wife has the other radio. She's going to walk to the end of the street here and we're going to go ahead and check it out. Can you hear me right now?
I'm clear.
Okay, go ahead and continue to walk. Walk down to that light pole down there at the end of the block. So right now my wife's way down there. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in the camera a little bit. Go ahead and wave. Yeah, she's waving. Now go ahead and talk to me. Can you hear me okay?
You sound loud and clear.
So that was perfect. I'm going to go ahead and do a drop test. Test it out.
One.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. Works great. I'm going to do a water test. I'm going to put this under the water here. This water is cold. Ooh. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Pass the water test. Now this can handle temperatures down to -20 Celsius, which is about -4 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Right now it's right around 0 degrees. We're gonna leave it in here a few hours and then see if it works okay. So I've had this in here now for 4 hours. This is the temperature. It's shown to be right around 9-10 degrees. Wipe off this. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Can you hear me okay?
Loud and clear.
Works great even in the cold. I put this through several tests and it came out perfect. I'm real happy with it. It's super compact and rugged and I definitely recommend it. Hope you found this helpful.